All right, so we're seeing a very good-looking Naira at 151 Naira. The fundamentals increasingly making the Naira look a lot stronger. Your expectations for the currency going forward?
Yes, good afternoon. Our expectations for the currency going forward is that of appreciation. There's a news in the market that the regulatory bodies has the intention of keeping the exchange rate stable at 145 Naira per dollar. So since then, we've been witnessing decreasing demand because the end users are looking at waiting for the rate to come down before they can come into the market and settle their obligations. Right. And also increasing interest rates in the market has also made Naira very expensive, and borrowing has been difficult to settle foreign exchange transactions.
All right, does this explain some of the phenomenon we've seen recently at the bi-weekly wholesale Dutch auction? It's reported that dollar demand was not what it was, what it's been recently. We also know that new regulations have changed things for bureau de change. What are some of the challenges that all of this presents?
Yes, in the WDAS market, that's the official window for purchase of foreign currency in Nigeria, we have witnessed a decrease in demand. Just like I said earlier, this decrease in demand is purely because of the news that the exchange rate is going to be guided to a lower exchange rate than what it is. And also at the BDC market, we have the regulatory bodies limiting the sales to BDC at $250,000 per week. So all these factors has increased volatility in the market and also increased scarcity of cash dollar at the bureau de change.
What we have seen, though, Kanayo, is a bit of a discrepancy in the official rate of the Naira and the rate of the Naira on the parallel market, effectively that's sold by bureau de change. Do you expect this discrepancy to continue? Explain it to us.
Yes, we don't expect the discrepancy to continue for long. Reason being that if you have such discrepancy in the market, the fraudulent users is going to make use of it. They're going to buy it at the official window and sell it at the parallel market window in what we call round tripping. So we don't expect it to stay long. We expect the regulatory bodies to come into the market and ensure that the gap is closed.
We're going into an MPC meeting in July, mid-July, and we do know that the central bank has embarked on a policy of monetary tightening. Do you expect the MPC to opt for raising interest rates further to continue with this move of monetary tightening?
Yes, we do not expect the monetary policy committees to come up with a continuous hike in interest rates. They have already taken proactive steps in the last MPC meeting where they increased the cash reserve rate from 2% to 4%, which is a tightening measure. So we expect them at the next MPC to take decision based on June inflation figures because the government has not taken eye off inflation. We are still targeting inflation, even though we have looked at exchange rates. So I expect them to keep it at least stable so as to help the real sector so that the economic growth target that we put for ourselves is going to be achieved, at least in the year.